These berry roll-ups are a tasty treat and are a healthy alternative to what's available at your local supermarket. With this recipe of fruit roll-ups, you can use whatever berries you prefer. We're using frozen berries here, so we're going to give them a quick blitz. And the great thing with this recipe is you can use as little or as much sugar as you like. We then reduce it to a jammy consistency. Sieve the mixture to discard any extra seeds. Spread evenly over your baking paper lined tray. It takes approximately about an hour to an hour and a half. Roll with the paper into a spiral and cut into portions. Ready for when you need a healthy, nutritious snack.